Today, I'm going to do maintenance on 5 of my geocaches, including recovering one using a special tool that you might be interested in. And I also might archive and move one of them that's become a problem. So, if that sounds like fun to you, come join me. Here's the situation with this geocache. Earlier today, a geocacher reported that it was dropped down and so he couldn't recover it. I bought my recovery tools, which I want to show you. This is glue. It's two-sided goo that pulls off and it's just very, very sticky. And this is a cable puller that I picked up from eBay with some attachments, so you can just get it over at Lowe's or probably Home Depot. And I have preloaded this with some goo, and I'm going to see if I can retrieve it. So let's put this together and see how it goes. All right, that worked just great. So our next stop, we're going to go to Slingshot, which is a really neat work of art that I can't wait to show you. So let's move. All right, so isn't this cool? Slingshot, just one of those places that you wouldn't know if there wasn't a geocache here. And there was, and unfortunately I was up in this sign, just one of those little bolts seems to have gone missing fairly quickly, so I have located another place to hide a geocache. And I'm going to move the coordinates, and this will live on. The next geocache that we're going to get to is Meat Hook on Kearney Road. Clever in itself. And it is one of my most clever early hides back to 2008. So it's been found by pretty much everybody who's local, but it still gets a lot of attention because of its 25% favorite points. However, it's near a house. The people have been contacting geocachers and complaining about them being there. So I think what I'm going to wind up doing is picking it up, moving it someplace else, probably not today, but soon, and we'll come up with a refreshed game board with another clever hide. So let's go get that one. All right, well, I got what I need to be quick. I'll be right back. Hook, bison tube, meat hook. We'll put it someplace else. This one has been out here since 2000, so if it's not here, I think I'm just going to go ahead and archive it and figure out something else to do on another day. So let's go find out. Well, what happened is the magnet has come detached from the container's gone. Yep, we're going to archive this and refresh the game board. So, last one, just up the street, was set in 2023. So, if it's gone, I will probably just replace it. So, let's go find out. Okay, a very experienced geocacher couldn't find this very basic hide, so I really think it's probably gone. So I bought a replacement with me. Let's go see if I'm right. All right, well, that's it. Yeah, there were 5 of them. We took care of them. I got a little drive home, but at this point, well, you know the drill. I'm just going to say thanks for joining me.